I have a microwave which is now working. Lights are coming on perfectly, but when I try to heat up the food, plate is not rotating. There are multiple issues which cause this problem. It could be the element or it could be the door switch. I am going to open the microwave and then I will see first of all if the door switches are working fine. There are 4 screws for the front panel. You can also remove it later, but I prefer to remove the front panel first. I already removed the screws, now I am taking off the front panel. There are 2 long screws like this, one on the left side and the other one on the right side. So I need to remove those screws and after that microwave will come down. You need someone else to hold the microwave for you or you can give some support, otherwise microwave will fall down. I took out one screw and I will do the same for the other one as well. After taking down the microwave, I am removing all the screws which is holding the top cover. There are a lot of screws on the top, bottom and at the back side. So after removing all the screws, now I am taking off the cover. Door switches are in same direction where door has knobs fitting in the microwave. Remove screws and take out the plastic clip which is holding the door switches. Before taking out the cables, I always recommend to take the photos. So when you need to put back the cable, you know where are you putting it back. There are 3 switches. Check one by one. You hear the click, this switch is working fine. Other one is also fine. But the third one is broken. I need to replace the third one. Numbers are located on the switch. Take that number and order the part. I ordered a new switch from Amazon. Link is in the description as well. Place back the clip and put all the cables back. I am going to plug the top cable, but you can go in any order. Put the clip back and after placing the clip back, screw it with the 2 screws. Before putting the top cover back, make sure microwave is working. Cup start to rotate. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. Until the next video, goodbye.